Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here's the stuff that you need to do what I'm going to do today. I'm going to dress up the engine bay a little bit, clean it up a little bit. I bought these on eBay. You'll need a 532 Allen key socket. These are the ones that I bought on eBay. They're 20 bucks for, or sorry, 10 bucks for 20 pieces. They're alright. They're not the best, but I mean, what's the point of buying brand name just for the looks? So you got the aluminum washers and you got the Allen bolts. I use a drill and a number 10 socket just to make it a little bit faster. So just watch the video and let me know how it goes. Comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.